Hello and what is up, my Atlanteans? For today's video, well, as you can see, this is a new kind of setup. I just wanted to film this like kind of quickly. So for today's video, I have something really exciting to open with, or to do with all of you. So my best friend, she bought me 2 new Monster High dolls and an extra Abby doll. Because what happened was my best friend accidentally broke my Abby doll. We won't get into details, but it includes throwing dolls across the roof. I told her it's like completely okay. Here, let me show you. I told her that it's like completely okay. Like, she's wearing tights, like it's still gonna be in there, like it's completely fine. I really don't play with my dolls. Like, I know that, and like I know people are gonna get like really pissy pants because it's like an OG doll, but like it's a doll, like it's fine. But no, she was like really like she was really apologetic, and so she bought me a bunch of dolls, which I'm really thankful for, of course. So let me show you our new Abby. So here we have Home Ick Abby. This one, it was a 2-pack with Heath Burns, and we're gonna be switching Abby's head, like this head with the original head, and we're gonna put the original outfit on, and hopefully I can glue that leg together. Then maybe I can have a Home Ick Abby as well. I won't be filming that. What I will be showing you guys, I got the beasties! Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Emily. I finally freaking have, oh my god, I'm crying! I finally have Howleen Wolf, which is Claudine's little sister, Claude's little sister, also Claudia's little sister. Look at how freaking cute she is. Oh my gosh. And we also have Twyla, daughter of the Boogeyman. I love Twyla so much. Like, she's not like my favorite character. Like, I don't even think she's like, maybe she's not top 3, but she's definitely top 5. Oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. But you can see that these girls really need some good TLC. So for this video, I will be cleaning up my 3 beautiful Monster High dolls. They're already beautiful. We're just gonna spruce them up a little bit, okay? Wow, I feel like we haven't seen this angle in a while. So the first thing we're gonna do with these girls is we're going to completely strip them down, and once they're naked, we're gonna get some soap and we're gonna wash their skin. So now that they're completely nude, I'm just gonna take a Lysol wipe and I'm going to wipe their entire bodies down and try to remove any excess dirt before I go in with some like Lysol soap with like a toothbrush. So first we're gonna do this. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my little toothbrush and some, it's like Lysol cleaner, like it's like the actual soap, and I'm going to really dig in now. A bit, and then we're gonna get all sudsy. Then after going in with a brush, I decided to use a Lysol wipe to remove any of the excess soap as well. I did clean up their clothes as well. And next, I am going to wash their hair. Just like normal, I'm going to be using a bar of soap, and I am just going to rub that into their hair, basically just to clean it up a little bit. I just don't really prefer using like real shampoo in my dolls' hair when I'm cleaning them, because like real shampoo is kind of expensive, specifically mine, because like I have like special shampoos because like I have dyed hair and all that. And my usual last step when washing their hair in the sink, I'm gonna grab some conditioner and I'm just going to rub that into their hair as well, and I'm gonna let that soak in. So here they are right after getting their hair washed a little bit. I put some conditioner in their hair. I'm just gonna brush their hair and then we're gonna start boiling. Alrighty, so in terms of styling Howleen and Twyla, since I'm not going to be boiling them, their hair is basically going to maintain its original shape. So I'm just gonna brush them out after having the conditioner in there for about like 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. I leave it in there for a while, and it definitely helps like the brushing process, like all the knots and all that. It's basically all out, so it's very nice.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Alright, so I actually decided not to boil them just because I realized if I boil them, I'm gonna lose the shape of their hair. So what I'm gonna do is, since their hair is now all combed out, I am going to rinse out the excess conditioner, and I'm gonna start styling these girls. Well, I'm gonna style her, and then we're gonna let them all dry. So finally, we have Twyla and Howleen finally drying. I decided not to boil them, so they kind of keep like their curls and stuff and all that. The hair's still a little bit messy, but it's fine. It's fine. For my other Abby, I actually decided not to style her at all, just because I was gonna rip her head off anyway. So I was thinking if I want to style her, I'll style her after I fix the situation. So we're gonna leave these to dry for the rest of the day, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow and we're gonna dress them up and we're gonna talk about them. Yay! Good morning, everyone. So I finally finished cleaning up Twyla and Howleen. Here they are. They look so stinking amazing. Like, not only do they look cleaner, like when I were posing them, they felt cleaner as well. So it's always a good idea to clean up your secondhand dolls, because like you never really know where they've been, and if they were never cleaned, like who knows what was in the box in the beginning. So it's always a good idea to clean up your dolls. And oh my gosh, the hard work pays off so well. Look how good they look. Their hair is not as crazy. Their outfits are amazing. Let's talk about Twyla first. Look at her. The type of hair that they used for her though is like kind of weird. I think it's the same situation as Rochelle. I don't know if it's what kind of gel they put in her hair, or like if it was like a weird hair texture, or if it was just glue seepage coming out of her head, but like it feels a little more waxier. So when I was like brushing it and like washing it, it was it actually felt a little bit different compared to Howleen's hair, because I think Howleen had like the normal kind of nylon. I don't know what kind of hair this is. I think it's the same hair as Madeline had her. So like whatever hair texture that is, I think it was the same hair texture that was used for her. So it felt kind of weird cleaning that, because like usually I would like clean Rainbow High dolls or like LOL dolls, I guess. So I've just been so spoiled with the Saran, I just don't really know what this is, or if it's like a different kind of Saran, I don't know. But like let's really like take a look at these dolls, because like I think they're really worth like a whole video in itself. Like the fact that she came with like 3 separate bracelets, the quality and like the fantastical like concepts that they did for Monster High was so cool. I love this little like bracelet thing she's got, and I didn't even know, but she had little earrings as well. She's so cute. I love Twyla. I'm actually not sure, but I saw somewhere, it was probably a Claudina video, where they said that Twyla had like glow-in-the-dark eyes. I haven't tested it out yet, but like I'm like kind of nervous to like find out if it does or doesn't, because like I really want them to. Like I am a whore for a gimmick, so if she doesn't, I still love her. Look at her. A Twyla boogeyman. That's so cool. And from the same 13 Wishes line, we've got this version of Howleen. Look at how nice she looks like after getting cleaned up like that. She looks so good. Like her hair is like an amazing like bright pink. If I could do that to myself. I love every single thing that she comes with. She comes with her own little glove there. I love that her hands are in this like position. Look at her freaking boots. A Monster High. And like the little paint details. Oh my god, Mattel was serving. What happened? Quality of this jacket is stinking amazing as well. Like we've got little I don't know, like they weren't functional pockets, but the fact that they put those there is a really big step up from where we are now, aren't we? I'm just so glad I have like most of the family. So yeah, everyone, that is everything for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please tell me what do I want to know? Tell me who your favorite Monster High character is. I just want to have that conversation in the comments. I will say that my favorite is Frankenstein, and not just because she's the main character, but like anyone who, look, I literally have like a Frankenstein poster up there. I love Frankenstein, therefore Frankie's my favorite. These guys are so stinking cute. I am so thankful to my beastie. Oh my god, it's us, Emily, it's us. This one's me, this one's you. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want. And I'll see you all on the flip side. Bye-bye.